Alright guys, we are at the Enchanted Forest today, and we're going to do a walkthrough and see what's going on in this place. It's pretty huge. I want to look for the trails. There's people actually out. There's squirrels and iguanas running around here. There's a huge iguana right over there. Jesus Christ, he's big, but as usual they're going to take off. Look at that guy. Right over there by the orange hazard light. Look at that. Come on, guy. You ain't got to run. There's actually a couple of them out. There's one right there, too. Really surprised he's letting you get this close. He should be taking off in a minute. Actually, two of them. The fellas ain't running yet? Are you used to seeing people? Huh? Hey, guy. Catching a sunbathe, huh? Wow. I normally don't get this close to these guys. They're a little different here, folks. Now he takes off a little bit. I'm gonna let the fella be now. All right. Once again, no fishing, guys. Absolutely no fishing. One small one. They're all around here, actually. Walk up on the overview for a sec. Train coming by, guys. It's on the other side of the property at the entrance. Pretty waterfall. This area is where people look like they have lunch, camp out, picnic. Grill areas. On my way out, we're going to stop over and see the chickens and all that I hear they have here, and other little animals running around. Kind of see it down there a little bit, one of them, but I'm gonna start this walk. I'm gonna walk on the bridge and go over, guys. We got a duck down here, two of them, under the bridge. Typical Florida duck. Hey guys. Alright guys, there's some fish up there too. Oh, a turtle down there, a couple turtles. Swimming around. swimming around. Got them down here too. Fish moving around. Look at that one. There it goes. Alright guys, let's go, shall we? Look at that. That looks actually like a long ways around. I guess we're gonna find out, right? Yes, we will. So looks like a little sitting area, maybe bonfire night, camping. This is a bird sanctuary. All birds are protected by law. There'll be no slingshots here, guys, and BB guns. I think I'm going to start here. I need a drink of water first. It is hot out here today, folks. Hopefully I get a little shade in these wooded areas. But right now, it is hot. All right. It's paved trail, it looks like. What do we have here? You already know something's living in all these coil rocks. That's pretty cool. Huge coil rocks. That ain't nothing but an apartment building full of insects, snakes, and other animals. How much they charge for rent? Alrighty. I remember they used to have the Miami Carnival somewhere on these grounds at the, Enchanted Forest here. Looked pretty cool that night too. And I believe they moved it somewhere else and didn't really like the new location. The Christmas location here was a lot better. I like concrete carnivals. I don't know about you guys, but when you go to those carnivals and they have that grass and it rains before time or starts raining, then you got your feet muddy and there's water patches, and I never really liked that. And don't mess around and wear anything white or showable. Your shoes is going to look a mess out there. I liked it when they had it on the concrete. Oh, that's a spider web. I have a keen sense for this, guys. I smell coyote poop. Yes. They are in the area, living in here somewhere. You can smell it. It's not a really strong smell, but it's a particular smell that I know now. It's not like dog poop, just the smell of dog poop. Actually, I could put up with coyote poop than the dog poop smell. And it's what they eat that makes it you know, disintegrate fast when it rains or whatnot. All right, they have most of the stuff labeled on logs. And a young ewe. Something's going on in the outer area. A lot of fire trucks, trains. I don't know. Very nice. It's cooled off a lot since I've been back here. I noticed that. I'm thinking this trail goes in a circle and comes right back out from what it looks like. So if it does, we're gonna walk around the other side and look at the animals in the cages. And that's exactly what it does, folks, I believe. They got it labeled, but honestly, I don't know who can get lost in the circle. So, this place is a lot bigger, so I got to go farther down. You know, might be an hour video, who knows. Hang tight. Let's see what's going on, folks. You never know what you're going to see when you watch one of my videos. I've proven that 2 videos ago. Yep, I figured. This took me right back around, folks. What a short nature trail right there. I hope it's another one. So far, guys, you got 1 star. I'll give you 2. For the water fountain and the bridge. And the campground over here. Okay. Back over the bridge, guys. Oh, look at here. We got birds hanging out on the bridge over here. They'll probably take off. Oh, look at that. Just hanging out. Guys, I'm gonna rock around the other side. See what we got here. see what we can see and see. This may look like one of the office fronts right here. All right, I see some horses out, guys, over there. That's good. Okay, your stars are going up. You know how much I love horses. Rode a few of them in my lifetime. Should have been in a rodeo the way I held on to a horse when I was younger that took off on a trail from me. This is Enchanted Forest, Elain Gordon Park Community Garden. So it's a little garden area. You know, pretty cool. Mounted Patrol. Looks like there's another trail, but I want to get these horses first. I want to get that first. Beautiful horses. Beautiful. Let's go around the other side, folks. See what we can see. Wow. Look at that, folks. Beautiful. Tiny ponies, little ponies. My Little Ponies. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Hello. Just filming the horses. These are beautiful horses. Look at them. So beautiful. Those of you never rode a horse, it's liberating. What do we got here? Oh, we got little rabbits, guys. Got a little rabbit in here. He's moving around. Look at him. Fast little fella, ain't he? One in the little rabbit house. All right, horses. Penning Farm family. Hey guys. How you doing, big fella? Hey. Hey. You're beautiful. Wow. Oh, you hear him? Letting you know he's here. That's a giddy up sound right there. It's a real giddy up sound. Hey. Hey, beautiful. Look at the hair on that. That hair being sold in them stores, guys. They go a blonde one, dirty blonde. You see those? They go a sexy brown. They got them. Look at the chickens, guys. Hey, you own this, you ain't got to go to Popeye's Chicken no more on KFC. Hey, chickens. This is what chickens can and can't eat. Okay, no onions, huh? Garlic, none of that. Wow, didn't know that. Hey, lettuce is cheap. If I have some chickens, they'll be eating a hell of a lot of lettuce. Kale and that's a pretty color right there for chicken. The color on him. Beautiful. Here's the breed and the lifespan, guys. They live up to about 10 years. They don't really have a long lifespan. It's kind of strange, you know. Parrots and other animals live longer than them. It's kind of weird. You would think that they will live just as long as a parrot. Apparently they don't. Let's see, no rabbit. Oh, there's a baby rabbit in there. You can't see him though. Here's the other little rabbit. He's running around somewhere in there. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. Bugs Bunny. There he goes. Cute little rabbit. Let me go back over here. I didn't see the other. I don't think that's a horse. That's a donkey. Got a little donkey in there with him. Oh, it's considered a miniature horse. Pony, not a baby horse. My pony, ride it. Wow. Amazing. The little rabbit is just running around. Beautiful, guys. Look at this one. Hey there. Hey there, guy. Hey there. Hey there. Hey, can I pet you? Can I pet you? Beautiful. Beautiful, look at you. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful horsey. Huh? You like that? You're beautiful. I wish I can ride you. We'll have lots of fun. We'll have lots of fun. Beautiful, guys. Oh, I love horses. Hey. 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 Beautiful. Okay, guys, that was wonderful. I like that. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I'm gonna swing around on the trail. I don't know where this one leads to. It probably comes back into one circle, but if it does, that's fine. You know, I'm satisfied pretty much. Got a chance to see animals. I love animals, so we're gonna walk the trail, and who knows, might run into something else. You never know. So right now, we're gonna chuck along. That was pretty cool. Alright guys, let's see where this goes. Let's go to a dead end. Or does it go somewhere else? The world may never know. This is going towards the back of the horse ranch, so I might see something else back here. Oh, I hear a horse back here too. There's something going on back here, guys. Oh, they got a horse back here. Maybe this is the wild one over there that's running in circles. He's definitely running in circles too, like did they catch this in the wild and bring him here? Because he is active. I guess this horse saying he's active and attractive and still at it. I hear them back here talking to him. He's one of the ones that, catch me if you can, I'm the gingerbread man. Let me see if I can get footage of this guy. Wow. Beautiful. Look at him. Yeah, this one's pretty active. Looks like a younger one too. Female. This is a female. She is very active. Judging how the cage look, I don't think I want to pet this one. He might get a swift kick, you know, but he wants to come out. Look at him. He wants to get out of there. He's come out eating the trees, bushes, and everything else. He's albino. That's what it is. Look at his eyes, folks. He's albino. He has the whitest eyes. Kind of freaky. He likes the weeds. He eats the weeds. All right, guys. Let's start the trail, shall we? Oh, God. He's not going to jump over that fence, is he? Does he got enough running room to jump that? I don't know, guys. Oh, here we go again, guys. Two different trails. Oh, God. Why do they do this to me? I see a stop sign down there as well. I'm going to take this one. Maybe that leads to something. Because I see a fence down there. Maybe that leads to another part of the park that you can go into. Yeah, it does. Thank God. I don't like missing anything. Wow, you hear that guy? He's cutting up back there. I don't know where they got it or found it, but he wants to get out. It's gonna take some working for him, or her, I should say. She's feisty. I'm looking back and she's running in circles. That face covering was for a reason. But I think it's for flies, for the eyes and stuff, because it was still able to open the mouth and eat. So some type of infections that it might have. They don't want the flies to pick at. No different than the dog ones they use. All right, let's see where this goes. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, you know, or are having a wonderful day already. Wow, you know what's crazy? You know, if you ain't never did it, you probably wouldn't know, but it's amazing how soon as you start entering the forest, it's like instantly the climate changes. It feels really cool. You know, it smells good. The air is fresh. It's like it's alive, you know. It's really cool. Oh, here's some groundkeepers out here. Hold on, guys. It's water time. Let me put some love in my body. Oh, that ice popped one open. Yep, here he goes. Cleaning her up, huh?
Sorry about that, man.
Oh, that's all right, man. Hey, at least you're doing something, you know?
Yeah,
Keeping the place
right.
looking pretty.
That's right, man.
All right, man.
Enjoy,
What's your
bro.
name?
Julio.
You'll be on YouTube, Julio.
Pretty cool, man.
They know you're doing your job.
Yeah, thank you, man.
You guys give Julio a raise when you see this. He's out here doing his job. Nobody's around. He didn't know I was here. Give Julio a raise, guys. All right, Julio. All right. Julio's doing his job out here, guys. He's not hiding in the forest. He's not sleeping. Julio's doing his job. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I'll probably get me a couple of naps in out here. No, I wouldn't do that, guys. You never know. You might get some snake up your butt, in your ear, your mouth. If you sleep with your mouth open, it's not a good place to come. Better yet, having poison ivy all on your back somewhere if you don't know nothing about the forest. See, I pretty much know about the forest, so I know where to lay it, where not to lay at. You know, I'm still learning a lot about the Florida plants because they have a lot more than we have in the Midwest as far as pertaining poison ivy, poison oak, you know, all that stuff. So, yeah. Okay, I'm approaching the little playground area for the little ones if you bring them. Pretty nice. Remember, guys, you got Julio around here. He's going to keep it clean over there. He's doing it. Shouts out to Julio. All right. This is getting pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. I might even take me a sandwich break today. Oh yeah, I made me another good sandwich. You know, why go to Subway and all these other places? You know, people need to learn how to make their own things nowadays. Things, you know, things are getting high. You know, and when you make your own sandwich, you can, you know, you can make the dream sandwich. You know. Hey man, I go to the Dollar Tree. I buy the turkey, the little tiny packs of turkey, the ham, the chicken, you know, the cheddar cheese, and I'll take that to the house and I make a freaking Bill Cosby sub sandwich. Remember those? Oh man, those sandwiches just look so good on that show. Oh yeah. Subway don't have nothing on your own sandwich when you make it, because you know how you really want to make it. And that's how I do my sandwiches. Pack them up real good, you know, wax paper, Ziploc bag, and put it in my backpack that I have on. With the metal thermo of water, bag of chips, you know, and have my own little picnic when I'm done filming. Or maybe while I'm filming. But I normally do that after I'm done. I can sit back and relax. I'm gonna cut through here because I've seen something in this corner before I get back on the trail. You know, I don't like to miss anything. And once again, the wind feels amazing, guys. Okay, this is pretty much a butterfly garden. I don't really see any butterflies. Where did they go? But I guess, you know, big as this park is, they go other places. You know, I guess they'll return. Well, I can see a few of them over here, but the camera probably can't catch them. Actually, I see a lot of dragonflies as well. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, but I actually thought the dragonflies attacked butterflies. I don't know. Oh well. So, this is confusing now. There was a trail that way, but I also see a trail this way. But it might lead back to that way. Do I gotta do the any, mini, miny, mo thing today, guys? You know what? I'm just gonna walk this way. If it looks a little shady, looks a little tricky, I'm gonna cut through the woods. How about that? Because I think it might be just leading the same way anyway. No more tricks. No more tricky Ricky. And that's what it looks like, folks. So, I'm gonna go back around this way and cut through. Because it looked like it's coming out. It was one big circle. So, I'm gonna go down here and cut through the path. At least I'll be able to see the horses again from this side. Oh, I can't explain the breeze that just came through here. Wow. That felt like somebody actually opened up a cooler door. Where did that come from, folks? Oh, man. Gotta love nature. If you haven't been out in nature, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Really. I actually could have took that path right back down here instead of walking all the way back around. But oh well. Didn't even notice that. Actually, I see the horse from a distance over there. And he's still running in circles. Back and forth. Let's see if we can get a look right in the middle, folks. He's slowing down now. He's walking in circles. Poor horse wants to get out of there. He wants to go. And that trail leads right up to where I was, folks. That's all it does. And this is going to lead me right back out the park entrance. So, probably past the horses again, or chickens, or what may be to the left. I don't know. Should be a little farther over left, I think. They have where you can lock your bike up. If you guys brought a bike, Lock her up. Yeah, this is the other side of the horse cage over there, if you can see. I can actually take this trail out of there and go back over there. I really wanted to, but I'm not. We've seen enough of those. I'm gonna walk this way and see the rest of the park as I walk. Now we are entering the main area of the park. It's beautiful, guys. This park is amazing. There's actually people in the park. So and this is pretty much where I came in at, folks. And with that being said, I am going to end this video. It's been nice rocking out with you guys. Had a very good time seeing horses. And hey, stay tuned for more adventures, more sights to see, more beautiful things. And as always, nature is therapeutic. I'm out of here.